to be involved in that, isn't it?
Yes, we were actively involved,
So,
sir.
give
but
me an
from-
example of your amendment.
Sir, from from our delegation, one of the principles po that we always parang fought for was to ensure that we maintain, number one, the principle of sovereignty, sir. So we ensured that the regulations po would say that it is by accordance with national law or it takes into consideration po ng ating local context.
You have a copy of that, no?
Yes,
You have
sir.
the copy of the international health regulations. I have a copy of it, no?
Yes.
Can
Mr.
you
Chair.
just show me any paragraph or any kind of recommendation you made in this international health regulation?
Sir, let me
Can
just...
you read? Can you read that to me here?
Sir, let me just pull up. I'll just get, I don't have the
Go ahead. I
full
want to
copy,
find
sir.
out. I want to find
But-
out. I
okay.
want